Article 1784 of the Philippine Civil Code. A partnership begins from the moment of the execution of the contract, unless it is otherwise stipulated. This article governs the commencement of a partnership, determining when the partnership officially begins to exist. Generally, a partnership starts from the moment the contract is executed, unless the contract specifies a different date. This is crucial because it marks the points where the partnership acquires legal rights and responsibilities, such as entering into contracts, owning property, and being sued. For instance, if a partnership contract is signed on January 1, the partnership is legally formed as of that date, unless the contract stipulates a later start date. It's important to note that the commencement date can affect various aspects of the partnership, including the allocation of profits, liability for debts, and application of the contractual terms. In summary, Article 1784 provides a clear framework for determining the starting point of a partnership. Understanding the provision is essential for partnerships to navigate their legal relationship effectively.